No problem. We will do the second question now, Vivan. Let's just focus on this first. And after that, we'll look. No, Vivan, please, no drawings and things right now. We need to work first with the questions and then we'll see the other things because we might not lag with the questions, right? So let's do the questions first. Here comes the numbers series with you, and you have to find out which is the 17th number from the extreme right side. That's an easy counting question. Jian has already answered for the same. That's good. Okay. I see answers from Shivain, Meera, Swarnim. Okay. Jian, are you sure of the answer? Others? Okay. Leelakant, Arav, Jian, Shivansh. Okay. Okay. Fine. So let's reveal the answer here. So what we are going to do here is counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then comes 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That 17th number is 4. So those who came up with the option B as the correct answer, well done. You got that right. And others who did some mistake, did you understand where did you went wrong? Which part of counting went wrong? If yes, then very good. Because in this class, you should focus more on learning. Even if you're getting something wrong, you should feel happy that at least I did that mistake in the class, not in the examination. Fine? All right. Moving to the next question. Everyone ready? Okay, thumbs up. Fine. So here is another number test question. This one is pretty interesting. Let's see how many of you can do this. Oh my God, so many answers. Very good. Okay. All right, all right, all right. We will do it part by part. The first part is finding out the sum of two numbers. The first number here is, do not repeat your answer, guys. I'm not taking anyone's name if you can observe that. So if I'm not taking anyone's name, you also come in anyone only. So please just wait. Do not repeat your answers. Let's do it this way. So starting with the first part, 7th number from the extreme right and 18th number from the extreme left are the two numbers we have to separately count and find out. Okay. So this is number 1, which you need to find out. 7th number from the right. So we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That gives me a 5. That's right. Yes. Now we'll count again. But this time we'll count the 18th number from the left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's 1. And what are they asking us to do? They are asking us to find the sum of these numbers, 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 gives you 6. So the answer is option B, 6. Now you guys will you will be telling me exactly what is the skill you require. the skill you require to answer this. Imagine you have made this question and you are asking others. If that person is giving the right answer, what will you understand? Okay, you did that correct. Oh, you did that correct because you have good dash. So what is that skill? Yes, Shivans, say.
Ma'am, some means addiction.
Sum means addition. Yes, Shivans. Sum means addition. 1 second, Shivans. I'll unmute you back. Yeah, Shivans, say.
How some is addition? Some is
This
minus.
is sum. Difference means you have to find the subtraction. Okay. But sum means you have to add them.
Okay.
Okay. Now, everyone, please focus. Okay, Aditya wants to say something. Say, Aditya.
Ma'am, some means addition.
That's right, Aditya. Good. Okay. Now, if you guys get this right, that means if you people feel that, okay, the other person is doing this kind of question correct, then what is the meaning? The person is good in the counting skills, because of course we need good counting skills to do that. If we, and with counting, what is the other skill which we see? Good observation. Imagine your observation is not good, then what will happen? You will count one more and it will become 8, and then 8 plus 1 will give you 9, which will be a wrong answer. So that's why the people who have good observation skills have good counting skills, and the people who have good counting skills have better brains. Their brain can think faster and in a better way. All right. So these type of questions help us to check whether you people are having good observation skill or not. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, remember guys, we were actually supposed to do just the alphabet test because this was a doubt discussion session, but because you guys did not have any doubt, we proceeded with the next chapter. So today we'll be only doing a part of alphanumeric test. Tomorrow we'll be finishing the alphanumeric test and number test, and I'll be sharing another test with you people, just like the mirror image directions test. Okay, so tomorrow remind me that I have to share a test with you. Okay, let's move to the next question. So this is alphanumeric sequence. An alphanumeric sequence looks like this. Why? Because it has a number, it has a letter or an alphabet, and it also has symbols. Am I right? So when a sequence has all the three, we call it as alphanumeric. Yes, Aditya.
What is the meaning of sequence?
Sequence means series, a line. Okay. No questions, no doubts, anyone in the alphanumeric sequence? Okay, tell me one thing. I have an interesting question for you. Vanya has one question. Okay, let's ask Vanya what's her question.
Ma'am, what you have taught, I can't understand anything.
I have
This
just given you an
alphanumeric.
example, Vanya. I have just given you an example. What have I written on the screen? Highlighted. Tell me, what have I written?
You have written 4 as number, 3 as letter.
Is it a number? Is it a number? 4
Yes.
is a number? Yes. P is a letter or an alphabet? Yes. And plus is a symbol. Correct? So,
Yes.
so far, what kind of series or sequences we were dealing, Vanya? We were dealing with only letters or we were dealing with only numbers. Correct?
Okay.
Now, when you have a series which has all the three of them or any two of them, then that becomes alphanumeric sequence.
Okay.
Thank you. So my question was this. Wait, I'm giving you an example here. 37AP942 is an example of alphanumeric sequence, yes or no? Y or N in the chat box. Shivain, Y, Jian, no. Leelakan, no. Okay. Arav, no. Vivan, yes. Okay. Others? I said alphanumeric sequence means which has 3 of them or any 2 of them. Biona says no. Vanya says no. Any 2 of them will also work. Yeah, Vanya. Okay, Leelakant, what happened? Say, sir, you unmuted.
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay. So even if we have a number and an alphabet, that's totally fine because whenever we have any 2 of them, what happens? That's still called as alphanumeric sequence. Okay. Let's have the type 1 question. Type 1 question is exactly similar to the question we have been doing in the number test and the alphabet test, where you have to find out the 6th element from the right first and then the 4th element from the right of that. So you can use the shortcut or do by the backtracking method. Any method which you people find easy, you can do it. Okay, that's good, Shiven. Shivansh correct, Jian correct. Good. Shiven has used the trick. That's good to hear. Very good, Shiven. Meera, Vanya correct. Leela correct. Very nice. Atharv, that's not in the options. Dhruv correct. Cool. Viana, I'm not seeing your answers. Come on. Ronak, even you. Unmute yourself, Ronak. I told you a trick in the previous slide. Remember, Ronak? Which are the 2 numbers on the screen you see?
Ma'am, I see the 2 numbers, 4th and 6th.
Okay. The bigger number is 6, the smaller number is 4. Now, what are the 2 directions you're seeing on the screen?
The 2 directions are right.
Right and right. So they are same directions or they are different directions?
Ma'am, same.
And whenever we have same, we'll subtract. So 6 minus 4?
6 minus 4 is 2.
And second from the right will be your answer. So now tell me which one is the second from the right. Arav, I think you counted from the left. Say, Ronak.
Ma'am, the second from the right.
This is the left, this is the right.
It will be ma'am, and
At the rate. We call it as at the rate. So option A is the correct. C is the correct answer. Fine. Understood, no, Ronak? Viona, did you understand this question? Viona,
Yes, ma'am.
you understood, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Thank you. Leela,
Ma'am, I use one method.
what is that?
Ma'am, number the
This method only you used, right, Leela?
yes.
So why are you raising hand? You can write it in the chat that you use the same method. Shivain also wrote it like this. Okay, the last question for the day, guys. The last one right here on your screen, which is very, very new. Very, very new. Why? There is a reason. There is a reason. Read it very carefully. Read it carefully. The most basic and boring method of doing this question is very good, Meera. The most basic and boring method of doing this question is writing the entire sequence in reverse, as mentioned. But we never take boring methods, do we? Not always. So if you reverse it like this and get the second element from the right using the trick, you would get your answer as P. But ma'am will tell you that you don't have to reverse the entire sequence. When they are saying reverse, just reverse the directions. Just reverse the directions. Yes, Meera. So now the question is fourth from the left and sixth from the left. Left and left means I will be subtracting. So second from left will be my answer, not from right. Second from left is P. So P is my answer. Now tell me how many of you did not understand. You guys can raise your hand. I'll repeat it for you. In reverse position questions, we are not going to waste a single second by reversing and writing the entire sequence. Rather, we will just reverse the directions. That's the only thing we'll be doing in such questions. Fine. Okay. No doubts? Wow, it's so nice to see that no one has a doubt. Understood, Vanya? Very nice. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Well then, guys, as I said, this is the last question for the day. We'll do the remaining types of alphanumeric sequence in the next class. Fine. And we will be winding up the session within the time. If you have any questions, please ask me. Otherwise, on time, we'll leave the class today. So when are you going to have your next test? You are going to have your next test on Sunday. That means I'll be giving you the link of the test on Sunday. So after that, you can give the test anytime after the class. You have time from Sunday up till the next Friday. Okay. So anytime between these days, you can give the test. The test will be only upon alphabet test, number test, and alphanumeric test. These 3 chapters. Say, Jian.
Ma'am, have you sent the alphabet test, ma'am?
See, alphabet test is the name of the chapter. And the test which I am talking about will have 3 chapters in it. Alphabet, number test, and alphanumeric test. 3 chapters. The name of the chapter has a test in it, Jian. It's not a test. Okay.
You have the homework, ma'am.
Yeah, so homework is alphabet test. Alphabet test is your homework. So you need to go to the live classes. You have completed. Then it's good. But others have not completed it because you need to complete it. And if you have any doubts, you need to ask me. If you have completed, Jian, it's very good. Others, if you haven't done it, please do alphabet test as the homework today. Say, Vivan.
Ma'am, now can I show you my drawing?
You have 1 minute. Quickly, show me. I'll stop the screen share. Oh, nice. That's a nice boy with a nice height. Thank you, Vivan. All right, guys, then we will be winding up the session. Yeah, Shivansh, I remember. Shivan,
Ma'am,
I
the class
remember.
was amazing.
Thank you,
Ma'am,
Vivan. Yes,
Ma'am,
please
I
come
joined.
up, Shivan.
Bye, ma'am.
Sure. Yeah, sure, Shivan. Oh, nice. Very beautiful. Thank you, Shivansh. All right. Shiven, what about you?
This lotus.
Wow, that's very beautiful.
I just copied it from one of my books.
That's totally fine, but you drew it on your own. That's great. Okay, Shiven, thank you. All right, so how was the session? You can let me know in the chat, and we'll be winding up the class. It's already time, so I'll just unmute you and ask you for a bye-bye. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Vanya, I saw it.
Bye,
I saw
ma'am.
it. That's so beautiful. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Hey, not like that. Bye-bye. Take
And
care.
sofas are chocolates.
Okay, so sweet.
Bye,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Bye-bye.